In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search elements here in Kittl. Now, first off, what we want to do is come over here to the left-hand side where we see elements. Now, if we click on there, we have a whole wide range of elements to choose from. Now, it's also categorized by categories as well. So right here, we have shapes, ornaments, illustrations, and abstract. Now, some of these elements are for Kittl Pro users and some are completely free. Now if we look underneath, we can see this little crown icon, which means that these are pro elements, so you can't use them on a free account. Now if you'd like to try out a Kittl Pro, then there will be a link down in the description. But if we take a look through these with shapes, there's all, so we can click on show all and it's going to show all shapes. There's also basic shapes, masks, banners, badges, complex shapes, letter masks, grungy shapes, and many more. Now that's just under shapes. If we click on ornaments, there's quite a lot as well, as we can see. Same with illustrations and also abstract. Now if you're trying to find something very specific, we can easily use the search bar up here and then type that in. So let's go ahead and put heart. Then we're also going to get these suggestions just here. So heart, heart rate, and many more. Now if we click enter, we can see that now we have all of these different hearts to choose from. And again, we can see that some of these have a little crown. But if I want to use one of these, I can simply put it onto the page like that. If it's a vector as well, we can simply click on that and change the colors. So if we change that to red, it's going to be more in keeping with this. Now, if you can't find something that you're looking for, we can also use the Kittl AI just here, where we can actually create whatever it is that we need. But I'll save that for another video. But that's just how easy it is to search elements here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.